What's going on, guys? CarrotRS here with another money making guide. Today we are going to be doing blast furnace. Now this isn't for smithing XP, although that is nice. This is to make money. Now what you're going to be needing to do is join the True BF clan chat. You want to use private worlds for this because there's always going to be someone doing each role to keep the blast furnace running. Now if you have 60 plus smithing, you get free entry, etc. You get to do everything for free. If you do not, you have to pay 2,500 gold every 10 minutes. Now, I'm going to be smithing 1k ore. I've already smithed 52 because I've never done blast furnace before. So this is brand new to me as well. I'm going to play some music over the clips of me doing it, but firstly, I'm going to show you how to do it. So I've got my money on me just so I can pay the guy without having to go to my bank. Obviously if you got 60 smithing. At the moment I'm in 303. I'm not sure whether this always stays. So you want to speak to him. What you want to do is when you first get in here, you want to speak to him. You want to go, what? And then you want to, can I use blast furnace to smelt my own ore? If you have level 60, great. If you don't, then put I don't have level 60. You must pay a fee of 2,500 coins. Okay. There we go. So what you want to do is come over here. You want to run up here with your ore. You want to put on ore on conveyor belt. Press yes. Your ore's going to go into the smelting, and you want to come here and you want to search for bar dispenser. When it all finally gets in here, there we go. You get the XP drop. And you want to, then someone will call it, and then you want to take it, press all, go to the bank. So I'm going to do here now is going to show you how much 27 is iron ore. So it's 4.1k, as Buddy says, 3.9, 4k, what the actual game says. So we're going to go over here, throw it in. Yes. Wait for your bars. This could take a few minutes depending on how quick everyone's going. And then rolls. Smithing XP drop. Take the bar dispenser. Take all. Boom, that's it. Now, from that inventory I made 9.7k. So that's nearly tripling our money. Doubling. Just over double. Just from a couple of seconds work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record me doing all this, add some music in the background, and I'll be back with you once I'm done. I'm going to turn the timer on, see how long it takes me to smelt 894. See you in a minute.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly. I can fly.
What's going on, guys? I'm back from doing blast furnace. It took longer than it should have because it ran into a few complications. Like, I have no idea what was happening. Turns out you have to pay sometimes to get the world, but most of the time it's leaked. So obviously I paid. It was only like 50k, and then I finally got back on it. Now you could probably take about 5 minutes off the 27, so it's about 22 minutes. Add an extra 3 minutes or so because of the ones that I did off screen and stuff, and this is what we came to: 360k. Now let's see how much I actually spent. So I spent 159k plus the 50k plus about 7.5k. Let me just get on my calculator now. So 159 plus 50 plus 7.5. So I spent about 216k. Now these are worth 360. Let's just see if they sell at this price. See, OS Buddy's saying 354. So let's put in 354. 354k. It's not gonna sell at that. So let's put in 350. So they sold at 350. So that's 159, 50, 1.5. So that's 216.5k. Just for the materials plus the pay time. So I've probably made about, let's have a calculation here. So I've made 134k profit. That's pretty decent, plus the smithing experience. They're going to check how much smithing experience I got here. Nope, OS Buddy is playing up. So smithing experience, I got 10k. So that's 10k per 1k bars. You could probably do about 2k in an hour, which then puts this up to about 3 to 500k an hour, depending on how efficient you are. Obviously, if you got full graceful, you can keep on running, etc., etc. So I hope you enjoyed this guide. This is just some money and smithing experience, I guess. And I hope to see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed, and see you around.